Hey, this is Tom Bowe with a 1-3 Minute. We're here with Danielle and she's going to talk about contract assembly.
The advantage of working with One3 Design's low volume, short-term assembly process is that a lot of the times we're involved with the design of the product, allowing us to move very quickly into a virtual build where we can lay out a bill of materials, check hand clearance, check tool clearance, and get everything laid out really easily. We then move on to a bay build, our first physical build, where we're still constantly thinking about the assembly process and we're still documenting everything that happens, trying to keep the transition into full assembly mode as seamless as possible. Here's where we get the opportunity to really work with our technicians and get their feedback on the quality of our assembly process. Many of our clients come to us because of our relationship with our highly trained, highly capable technicians. They have a skill that's hard to find elsewhere and they're capable of doing critical and complex assemblies. During this process, we're always evaluating, refining, and documenting our work to ensure that we can hand off a solid, quality product to our customer and make the transition to their full production assembly process as seamless as possible.
All right, thank you, Danielle. I appreciate that. Thanks for watching. That was a 1-3 Minute.